You have not left the room, have you? There are a few puzzles ahead which I have yet to explain. It would be dangerous to try to solve them yourself. Be good, all right?
She's right. I better go back to the room from before so I don't cause any more trouble. This must be the wrong room. I should go back. Going back to the room that Toriel told me to wait in. Okay, so I don't know how many of the white one dropped, but the pink one dropped 2. I think the flying one dropped 8. I think the green one dropped 3. Toriel can help me find them later. But what does later mean? How long am I going to be down here? I need to get home and make dinner soon.
Hello, this is Toriel.
Oh, I'm just sitting here in the room you left me in.
That is good. I just want to ask you, which do you prefer?
Hey, you there, kid? Excuse me.
Hold on, Toriel. Yes?
Sorry to interrupt, but do you think you could push me across the floor? I just woke up from the worst floorage. That's the spot.
There you are. Hello, Toriel? Are you still there?
Yes, my child. I was wondering, for no reason in particular, which do you prefer, cinnamon or butterscotch?
She's going to make me something. Butterscotch.
Oh, I see. Thank you very much.
Who am I kidding? This isn't the room that Toriel... Hello?
Hello, this is Toriel. You do not dislike cinnamon, do you? I know what your preference is, but would you turn your nose up if you found it on your plate?
You're worrying about this way too much. Just make whatever you want.
I'm sure it'll be fine, as long as it's not frozen spaghetti stuck to a table.
Yes, right? I understand. Forgive me, my child. I'm just a silly lady who worries too much. Thank you for being patient, by the way. Okay, let's think about this. Rationally. I climbed up a mountain, nearly froze to death, fell down a hole and broke my arm. Almost got killed by a flower. Got saved by Toriel, disobeyed Toriel. Wandered off and committed theft. And now, I need help. Hey, are you lost? What are you? Giant eyeball! Oops, that was really rude. Wait, I'm sorry. Please come back. I'm not gonna hurt you. Yeah! Huh? Okay, so I have no idea where I am. I wish I could find someone who wouldn't run away from me. If I don't get home soon.
Are they gone yet?
buddy?
Hey.
What are you doing?
Lying on the floor like a piece of garbage. Oh, now I'm hurting you. Just leave me here like the trash that I am. Go away.
No. You're the first person I've met down here that hasn't run away from me. I think that's really special.
It is.
Yeah. It's great to finally have someone to talk to. Even better if they say something back.
Oh, gee.
I actually fell down here from the surface a little while ago.
Oh, so you just moved in. You must be really busy then. I'll get out of your way.
Huh? No, wait! Don't go! Darn, I almost had it. Wow, it's a monster party! They're all too busy dancing to notice me. Wish I could check it out, but I need to get going. Sounds familiar.
La la la. Oh, I fell down a hole. Now I can't get up. Wait, ghosts can fly, can't they?
Ah, there you are. I was looking for you.
You were?
Uh-huh. You know your way around here, don't you? Do you think you can help me out?
Sure. I know where all the most secluded rooms are. By the way, I thought of something cool while you were gone. Hold on. Let me try. You like it? I call it Dapper Blue, because my name's Napster Blue. But that's kind of long, so most people just call me Lukey. Yeah.
I love it. You're adorable.
Oh, gee, you're nice. So, do you know Toriel?
Yes, I just met her. She was really nice to me. Although she kind of acts like she's my mom.
Oh, her house is right around the corner up here.
Great. Now I know how to get tutorials. But do you know how I can get home?
Where's your home?
Well, I live in the city.
Oh, yeah. I could take you to the capital.
Capital? No. I meant the city at the foot of the mountain. On the surface.
Oh, you want to go to the surface?
Huh? Is there something wrong with that?
You can't.
What do you mean I can't?
Yeah, no one in the underground can go to the surface because of the giant magical barrier.
Giant magical barrier?
Yeah, it's pretty strong. No one can get past it.
He's not kidding. So what? I'm stuck down here? Just like that? That must be why Toriel kept avoiding my questions. Should I still trust her? Okay. Maybe these guys don't know everything. What are they? Magical barrier scientists? There must be a way. If I could just get some more information. For now, I should...
君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実するのも